Hi to all. Mega Job Mela 2025. 21st April 2025. 9 a.m. onwards. Venue Brundavanam Gardens, Palakurti. Presenting by Errapelli Dayakar Rao Sir. Charitable Trust presenting 100 plus companies, 5,000 plus job offers, 15,000 salary. Qualification SSC, Inter, Diploma, Degree and any PG and any ITI, Engineering, Pharmacy, MBA, MCA and other. Job sector ITES, Pharmacy, Hospital, Banking, Retail, Nursing and Management. Requiring contact number, copies of resume along with passport, photos and ID proof. No registration fees is there, completely free.